Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Along with the profit you can make by selling stocks, you can also earn shareholder dividends, or portions of the company's earnings. Cash dividends are usually paid on a quarterly basis, but you might also earn dividends in the form of additional shares of stock. 17 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can only withdraw cash from your brokerage account. If you want to withdraw more than you have available as cash, you'll need to sell stocks or other investments first. Keep in mind that after you sell stocks, you must wait for the trade to settle before you can withdraw money from a brokerage account.
Take our lead.
So it's probably not the answer you were looking for, because even with those high-yield investments, it's going to take at least $100,000 invested to generate $1,000 a month. For most reliable stocks, it's closer to double that to create $1,000 in monthly income. 24 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Stocks are listed on a specific exchange, which brings buyers and sellers together and acts as a market for the shares of those stocks. The exchange tracks the supply and demand, and directly related, the price, of each stock.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.